Your spokesman photo these people on your behalf. This follow.
Nimbul binasak. Melam sema muni na ebra nikuwa. Masaraw na masa ba ugi bunua. Masaraw sarali ko na nora. Ini memilih di sana bunua. Orang prestigi. Orang semarang. Kurang ada berutuma. Apa sah?
Mana? Dina. Luwata sa suka wali kamunana. Kena lingan rasaka na Deputy Prime Minister.
Turang saat sih pernah nanti itu turang.
Mantar sunah yang kalau memang mana? Ngomong.
Marae Tēnei and Akwe. Thank you for the courtesy of a very unexpected way of receiving me and my team here today. We genuinely did not expect it. If we had of, we would have had a few drinks on the way over. We do understand in New Zealand why you do this. You were doing it 1,000 years ago, you were doing it 100 years ago, and you want to do it 100 years from now. It's about you, your islands, in a multi-billion-dollar population world of 200 countries. You want to remain what you are, special. My country understands that, I understand that, and I'm truly grateful for your courtesy. Kia ora tātou.